Today we're gonna open the teal box of these L.O.L Surprise Deluxe Present Surprise. So in our last video, we opened this box right here and got Miss Partey and Party Puppy. Alrighty, I can't wait to see this dolly. I can't wait to find out her name too. She's so cute. And look at her kitty pet, so adorable. Looks like she's wearing pajamas.
I really want to know what her name is.
Yeah, I like to know her name too. Before we unbox this, make sure you guys subscribe down below to Sophie's Playday. Let's get the bow out. You gotta take this bow out too. The Velcro bow. Okay, I already cut the zip tie. We just got to take it out. Got it? Okay, let's open this. Ooh, it's different colors. Instead of pink and teal ball, we got purple and teal balls in this one. Okay, so let's open our first ball. Oh, this one's light.
Yeah.
Must be just confetti in that one.
Yeah, it is.
So the purple ball has the kinetic sand. Confetti, so pretty! We got purple confetti and pink and teal hearts. What's her outfit? Ooh, she gets a cute little top and a cute little skirt. Ooh, so you get blue sand instead of pink.
This is
What's that? Bathing suit? Looks like, oh, it's clothes for the pet. That's what looks so weird.
let's see what this is. It's a bottle.
Oh, nice.
For the
For the doll. I don't think pets get bottles. I think it's just for the doll. So here's the milk carton.
Let's see what this is. It is shoes.
Ooh, let me see her shoes. Here are the shoes. Ooh, the party dress. Now this is a party dress. And one last ball.
It's a bathing suit.
Oh, yay! She gets a swimsuit. How cute is that? I love the colors. Alrighty, let's get to the next layer. There's our party girl. Let's find out her name.
Her name is Sprinkles.
And the pet, let me see. It's Sprin-Claws. Ooh, look at this. As I stick the outfit on the pet. Little game. And here's the invitation. You're invited. And the party banner. The next layer, we got the giant bath bomb. Look how pretty. This one is a purple and white present bath bomb.
I'm gonna fill up with water.
Okay, you go fill it up with water. All right, time to put the bath bomb in.
Woohoo! Look at that. It's all purple.
Whoa, should we flip it? Let's
Yeah.
flip it.
Flip it. Look at my
So pretty. Look at all that purple fizziness. So here we got our cake box. Oh no, water. So all that bubbly water was so purple and it kind of stained our hands, so we had to go wash it out right away. All right, let's open the dolly.
She wants to get out.
Sprinkles is ready to come out.
She's so pretty.
Ooh, look at her hair. She has ombre color hair, just like Miss Partey. So she has purple and teal ombre color hair with two little buns on the top.
Oh,
Ooh, and here is Sprin-Claws. She's so cute. Little kitty.
Last means the party hat.
Party hat. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love this. All right, let's see her color change. Let's drop Sprin-Claws in there too. Ooh, look at their swimsuit. Oh, look at her. She looks super cute in this swimsuit. And Sprin-Claws, what does she have on? She has some triangle spots on her. And some blue shoes.
Let's see if she spits. She does.
Ooh, she spits. So here is Sprinkles and Sprin-Claws. Here's Sprinkles in her second outfit. And here she is in her bathing suit. And here are the two dolls and pets that we unboxed. They are super, super cute. And that's it for this video, friends. We opened 2 of the L.O.L Surprise Deluxe Present Surprise. We got the pink and the teal box. Which one do you like better, Sophie? Do you like Miss Partey or Sprinkles better? Or both? Miss Partey?
All of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like all of it.
You like both? Yeah, it's very hard to choose. I like both too, and I especially love this party hat on Sprinkles. Alright friends, that's it for this unboxing. We're going to be unboxing more L.O.L Surprise once they release. I heard there's going to be a bunch out. The next one is called the All-Star L.O.L Surprise. So stay tuned, friends, and make sure you guys subscribe down below so you can get notification when we upload. Alright friends, we'll see you next time. Bye!